Hey, if you want to download free watch faces on your Samsung Galaxy Watch FE, first of all you will have to open the Galaxy wearable application on your phone and click open. Now you will have to go into the watch faces and then you will have to scroll all the way down and select more watch faces on the Google Play. By the way, as you can see here, I have the couple of the watch faces that I download completely for free. So click here, and now as you can see, under some watch faces we can find the price, but also a few of them are free because there's no any price. So if I want to get, for example, this one, I can just click install. Now I just have to wait, and then I can just go back from this and I will be able to find the new watch faces right here. So I can tap on it once and it will be applied here. Take a look. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.